Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Review with SAMESH, and welcome to my promote the #1 AI powered ads generator of 2025 product review. So friends, I am SAMESH Sakma, an affiliate marketer. Now I describe this software about Adpreso AI. 500 plus top performing ads in one click using a proven backend engine trained on the best performance ads of all time. So friends, now you look at the creating ads at Adpreso AI, a simple three-step process. Step 1, put your website link. Step 2, AI generated multiple variations of converting ads contact and recommended ads colors. Then number 3, choose from your instant 500 ready to use ads library. And now you can see ways to make money from Adpreso AI. Use it to boost your own ROI, full service ad agency, ad creations package, white label service, training and consulting, performance-based partnership, real success stories. Now, so friends, if you can buy this product, please check this video's description.